Hello everyone, I'm Aryan and I'm a final year computer engineering student and I'll demonstrate my final year project right now, which is a pomegranate fruit disease detection project, which also is capable of detecting the phytochemicals in the fruit, which is very important to just test the quality of the fruit. So what happens is that bhagwa or say any other type of pomegranate is very essential crop in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and many other regions. So farmers face a huge problem where they can delay the detection of the disease, or say once the disease detection is delayed, it may cause several serious problems, which will not be curable, or say which will cause the loss of the farmers. So this is a very huge problem in our country right now. So, as we speak of now, today's date would be uh, just a second. Today's date is 2nd May 2026, and as of now, I'll show you my project, what we have come up with, me and my group. So, my group consists of me, Aryan Jadile, Umesh Vakadkar, Shrikar Varpe, and Pushkar Shedge. So what we have done is the built a multi-agent project which is capable of detecting the disease and providing a capable solution for that of disease, detect the phytochemicals in it, and so on. So this is the front end of the project where the user will first of all land once he gets to the website. We haven't deployed it yet, but yeah, this is the local host, which is I'm hosting locally. So yeah, going on. So either the user can log in or say sign up on the website. So as I'm an existing user and I have already created my login credentials, I'll just log in to the website. And just a second. Once the user has logged in, he'll just land on the dashboard page. So my total analysis were four, which means I have analyzed four fruits up till now for the testing purpose. The healthy fruits are 25% and the average nutritional score is 83. This is just statistical data. Furthermore, we can see the location which I am at right now and going on. So you can also see the history of what you have scanned before the in the previous sessions. So as a farmer can detect multiple fruits, like he can see multiple different kinds of spots on different regions of the farm on different fruits. So he can detect multiple fruits for that. So he can also just keep track of it in the history section so that he can provide the specific medication for that. Going to the analysis page, this is the fruit analysis page where the farmer can upload the image and see the give the details to the model, and the model in exchange will provide the details of the disease and the phytochemical analysis to the farmer. So for the upload, there are two options. Either you can upload an existing image on the device, which the farmer may have shot earlier and now wants to check, or else he can just capture a live image. For the live image, what happens is that by mistake, the farmer can give a shot of something else or say anything irrelevant. So what happens is when the live camera option is used, the image is fed to Gemini and it checks whether the image is strictly a pomegranate fruit or not. If yes, it feeds the image to the application, or else it just rejects it. uh, Going on, I'll just upload an image from my device, which I have already. As you can see, yeah, these are the five disease categories which I have trained the model on, which is Alternaria, Anthracnose, Bacterial Blight, Cercospora, and Healthy Fruit. So, testing the image of, say, Bacterial Blight, picking up any random image, I'll pick this image. Meanwhile, the image is being uploaded, we can just tag the location. As you know, the farmers are not very aware of using mobile devices and say just high-tech applications. So what we can do is simplify their tasks. And for that, we have just given the option of tagging the location, which will automatically capture the current location of the farmer, which is very essential for us. So once we click on the tag location, we can get the location of the device. Next step we can do is fetch the weather for that specific location, which is a very important factor for determining the phytochemicals in the fruit. So once we click the fetch weather, the coordinates of the target location or the tagged location are fetched from the weather API. So as you can see, this fields are automatically filled using that. And once we submit this environmental data, we get everything which is required by the model. Okay. So as you can see, the disease has been correctly detected by the model, which is was bacterial blight, and this is a very severe case of the disease, and this is very you know a severe condition, so it may spread and destroy the complete crop as well. After that, what we can do is run a full analysis as we have everything that is needed by the model. Once we run that, we can get the score. And as you have seen, the disease alert is given that this is a severe bacterial blight detected during the scan. And also previously, you would have seen there was an environmental alert as well, which said that the humidity is very abnormal. As you know, we are facing super El Nino as of now, which is a completely different topic. So let's not get there. Going back to our scan history. Here we also have an option of the chatbot, which is contextually aware of the complete thing that is happening in this. So once you click there, you can see the the suggested questions as well. This is like how do I treat bacterial blight? Will this affect the fruit's market value, or say is this serious or not? So clicking one of them, we can just get answers to that. This chatbot works using certain APIs which I have used. So right now we are on free tier of that. So the answers may not be as well as expected, but once we get into production, we can use a paid version and just extend it as well. This was the complete application which we have developed as a group, and right now this is like our complete hard work and dedication that we have put into. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Maybe I'll explain the backend and the complete workflow of the project in some other video. Thank you so much.